Pretty cool. This is the main unit that goes here. It's rough. Bryant Tech 2000 clone or rebadge. This thing still works. Thing's 1987 if I remember right. The heat coming off of this thing is amazing. Really working. Keeping the garage cool. I think it's like the one that Jordan has. Really dripping though. Fan motor on this sounds amazing. Focus. There's the filter.
Throw it away.
Wait, what?
Do you want a candle?
Candle.
It smells terrible.
Fresh blossom. You can get it in the bin. Yeah, you win. Hello everybody, it's Derek Freeze, and today we are at the PA fan meet, joined by a bunch of YouTubers.
I guess so. I mean, I wonder if it's like a cascading high stage and low stage or something.
Whose is this, do you know?
I have no idea.
Oh wow.
Look at these fins. They're
They're
circular.
really cool. Like little discs. Even the front is like
imagine
rigid.
I haven't even checked this thing out yet until just now.
50s or 40s.
That was back when air conditioning was like for rich people.
Look at the size
Yeah.
of the power cord.
Oh shit!
Oh jeez.
Wow.
And it's
Not even
110.
grounded.
Oh jeez.
Wow. Look at the length of the cap tube. And actually, they did something pretty interesting. They put the cap
That's
tube.
gotta be like some like 10 gauge wire.
What does the thing say on the side there for amps? There's a plate there.
50.
There's like 15.
Line amperes is 13.1.
Wow, that's actually higher than that is allowed by a 15 amp circuit.
Yeah, it's real fun.
Oh yeah. It's got 2.5 pounds.
What is
Compressor motors, 2.
Yeah.
What is
I've
the
never seen a dual compressor. That's wild.
That is ridiculous.
Another cap tube on this. It's like two sets on each side.
What's interesting is that this can run in Japan because it's rated for 100 volts and 50 cycles.
Interesting. Does it say what the size of this is?
I don't know. I think this is one of those, like, you knew when you bought it and that was about it.
Yeah. I'm gonna guess probably at 8K at most. It might be a bit bigger, but I don't know. A lot of these older units are really big. Oh, does this go with the? Oh, well, there's another fetters here. Extruded aluminum. Yeah. Yeah.
The window support.
This is restored.
Oh, this one getting tested as well?
Yep. This cord should be live.
This is an R&M, 12-inch R&M stationary. I think I have the oscillator version of this one.
Oh, cool. I didn't know you had one of these.
There she goes. It's good air.
It is a chart.
Can't tell if there's motor bikes off back up, but
Yeah.
I'm sure it does. My first grasp of it. Yeah. I'm not sure if it is with all of these, but some of these, I think the earlier ones, even though these are like stamped motors, they come apart pretty easy. Like the stator's not like squeezed into the housing. This one was rewired. It has the original head wire, but it's a stationary, so it's not a
Two compressors. It's a monster. Tell me more information about it. Here's my 58 fetters. Actually, going to make some not for sale tags because I know somebody's going to ask me.
You've got so many of them you can't keep track.
No, actually, I think it is.
No, this is the one that's on the wall.
Yeah, me and Kenny have
Mermaid.
it.
Oh, so you got it from Kenny?
Yes, exactly.
Wow.
Exactly. This here is a very. Oh, you're good. You're good. There.
Admiral, right?
That is an Airmaid. Oh, really?
Airmaid.
It's really Airmaid. It's made. I forget who it's made by. Ken Horan did identify it. I really want to get this thing working.
It kind of looks like a Kelvinator in a way.
Yeah, it's really neat. It comes to S series compressor. And we'll take a look at the back of it. Neat looking at it.
That is so cool.
It's got a side vent on that side, but that side's solid.
Have a look at that series.
I remember the tag. Decent shape. It has a little bit of rot, but nothing crazy, nothing like that. Fixed relatively easily. I've dealt with worse.
If you want, I got a backstory on this. If you want.
Yeah, sure.
So it's actually a fan collector. Hanson, his name was, and he lives out in California, but he used to live in Queens, and it was actually his grandmother's unit, and they never used this thing because they said it never worked. So,
Really?
yeah, and it was. I was contacted by the person who bought the property, and we made a deal to pull this out of the wall. And when I got it home, then I plugged it in, and I realized, oh, it actually does work. It's just what happened was the fan motor was trouble, so it never started up.
I wonder how long it's been with you. It's got some pretty bad coil around there.
They lived there in the late 60s, and they didn't use it. So it hasn't been used since the late 60s.
Wow.
The only thing is, the reason it has all this coil rod is because it was a south-facing window, and it's closer to the south shore more out. So pan is fine.
It would have been a lot worse.
It could have been worse, yeah. If it was used, definitely.
Wow.
It's unfortunate because the rest of the unit is in nice condition.
This should be over there. Yeah, that's the. Oh, thank you. I was wondering.
So that goes with the GM.
Wait, that's freaking wicked.
Dual compressor.
From AT&T.
I got in contact with the person who bought the place, and I was like, hey,
Got a Quasarts. Beautiful front grille on this. I love these Japanese units. It has the air scan on it, the wraparound coil. 10K. Beautiful unit. Here's a 60s thin line, maybe 50s. Comes the pancake.
One of these Super Thrust Van Bergs. This Super Thrust is mine. This one here is NOS. This one is pretty much NOS. Very low hours of both of them. Wow. Ways are a little new for me, but still very high quality. This is the low thin line with the exposed condenser. And it's a rare one. But I mean, like, I'm speaking more generally. Like, when it goes missing,
This is Van's Super Thrust that was pulled out of the orthodontist office. GE rotary. This is OG Super Thrust Comformatic.
I bought it without a grill, but I just so happened to have it before, so I think it's safe to work out. I have picked up. You guys are watching.
This is Kevin's unit. It's a Hampton Bay. Fetters built. Ooh, did someone say Rotorex? Couldn't see, it's on this side. It's a 10K. Small chassis at the 10K. Just like the Fetters I have with the Reti. This is my favorite unit here. Philco Ford Noiseless, the air scan. Beautiful. Philco Ford Noiseless. I don't know the exact model of this one. Very 60s model, definitely. My 1962 low thin line. Pride and joy of my collection here. I'll see videos of this one eventually, but I'll show it off still anyway. Also, just like the one with the Tecumseh exposed fan on the back. Love this thing. These are Christian's units here. Here's Will's Carrier. Siesta 2. With the Toshiba rotary. Fredrich Quiet Master. One of my favorite units here at the meet. I'm not really into the Fredrich stuff, but this thing is absolutely cool. Ice cubes coming out of this right now. Fetters water wheel. I love the front grille on this. My favorite front grille that these had. At least one of them anyway. I love the recessed vents on this one. Metal shield. The Fredrich. This has the AH in it. I like the yellow cover there. And cap tube's really shaking. Can't even hear it. General Electric fan motor in there too. Great unit. I believe this is a 10K. Have a through wall WCI. Mobile Air. Never seen these Mobile Air branding before. Yeah, this got to be the original grill. Yeah, this is a WCI. This is still the original Westinghouse design. And here's a Westinghouse Mobile Air next to it. Good song playing. Got two of these here. I don't know who owns this one. This is Mike's. They're both Mike's units. This came from the Mansion 90s Fetters base model grill with the Rotorex. This one has the Bendix. This probably also has the Bendix.
It's actually a Samsung.
Oh, it has a Smasnog.
Smash. It would have been better if it had a Rotorex, though. I agree.
I like the Samsungs. You don't see these at the Samsungs too often.
That's why I grabbed that 6K, because it had a Samsung in it. I'm like, well,
Wait, the one over there?
no, that's a 10.
I was like, that was the guy
No,
with
that is a
Rotorex.
Rotorex. That is a Taiwanese Rotorex. Hey, how'd you get the water running, Liz? The well was turned on. The well pump. I thought the
Signature.
well pump was turned on in the shed. Oh, they opened it for you. Oh, okay.
It's also Mike's unit. Actually, these are both Mike's. All these are Mike's. This is a 8K Gibson built cold spot, small chassis. This thing is tiny.
That's interesting. It blows the aluminum foil, right?
Yep, this is an 8K. 6K General Motors built signature.
I was so interested. Like my hat.
Here is Will's Gibson Air Sweep. It has the Bendix in it. Or actually, no, I think this one has the AE. Yeah, has an AE.
Where's the van? Yes, ma'am.
I want one of these so bad. Here's the back side of this GM. I love this thing. This thing looks so nice. Paint's a bit bubbling here, but besides that, the thing really nice. These are both restored. The backside of the Fetters. This has the red tag on it. With the Samsung rotary. Here's a Whirlpool built cold spot. Slide grill. This one has a Seeger. And I believe this is Christian's Philco 4 noiseless. Philco 4 noiseless 9. Space Saver model. Sadly does not have the air scan. Still really sweet unit. These look so cool. So that's everything so far at the Me. There might be some other stuff elsewhere. I don't think we're going to start firing stuff up quite yet.
I have a 1986. He's on my sit list. In Austin. I made sure he got me that first Yeah, they're yours, no problem. Glad you got one. I wouldn't have got the three, did I? I should have gotten three.
Wait, Vic.
Watch your fingers here.
This is for that one.
So I'll keep these one separate.
Why did I choose the stand?
Oh yeah, the fan's good. Yeah, it is. I think the compressor is too late. Or we blow the breaker. No, we didn't blow the breaker. It's not running yet. We just had a shit connection. That's quiet. Oh. I think it's quieter than that one. Yeah, that's the idea.
Yeah, very quiet.
Oh. Constant, right? This must not be.
Jesus, this is like true dedication. Stand right in the path.
But we know the fan works. Watch out, watch out.
I fired up that mouse that I got from Dunnington.
You got quarter on here?
The mouse that's
Flip it around.
Sean was like in the line of fire too. He was like staring off to the side.
Pull it off.
It was like a delayed start.
So were we even able to get the compressor to go on this one?
Let me do it.
Damn.
Where's Connor?
We got the Casabona. hope it doesn't fall. I don't trust anything false. Yet I actually have a fan in my house with one of these on it. I should probably replace it. Bless you. Bless you.
I'm trying to sleep without having my smoking
And also, the other thing is, you won't do inspections on emissions testing. You need to do ours. This requires specialized machinery, like, was it what?
I get the crowd freely. Like, the floor will able to scoot this over.
Yeah, I can do that.
Noise and making it quiet.
You peel it
Look.
Oh,
and you pull the.
That's not an LP one. That's 90-year-old.
that thing.
What is that, a 93? 91. Okay, I knew it wasn't an LT1. He was like, that's an LT1. I don't know.
That's a sweet truck.
Is it still R12? Does it work? Yeah, I charged this 134. Is it possible?